We are in Pensacola. It is July 12th, and today is the Blue Angels Airshow. The crowds are here. They come by boat, by car, by paddleboard, you name it. It's incredible. We have our beautiful friend's house right here on the back side of the beach on the Gulf. There's their dock, and everybody's having a great time. It's boat and people and expensive toys everywhere. I will show you some of the action when they start flying by. God bless America. We got the team leaving the house for the show. Super athletic and physically fit group of people. If you don't have a cooler cup, you're toast. It's like 99 degrees here. But here we go. Show you more at the beach. We are now on the beach, getting ready for the show to start. Can you see all the boats out in the Gulf? This is insane. As far as you can see, people. Blue Angels take off at 2 o'clock. We got 2 minutes. Our crew is at the beach. And boy, do we got a crew. Do we have a crew? We were followed by about 20,000 other people.
You guys sit over here.
They're everywhere. They're everywhere.
One more.
We're moments away. Here comes Fat Albert. Fat Albert starts and finishes the Blue Angel show. Here they come from out over the Gulf. Straight up. I lost them. That's how fast they are.